Welcome student in this video. Today we are going to learn very interesting chapter, that is angles and pairs of angles. Firstly, let's recall. Student, in previous standard we had learned about the angles, their names, their vertex. For example, in this figure the name of angle is angle ABC. The name of its vertex is vertex B, and names of the points marked on its arm A and C. That point which is marked on its arm. The interior and exterior of an angle. Observe the figure. Interior points of angle. In this figure, in this angle, look at the interior side. There is point M, point T, point O and point N. These points are inner side, so that point said to be interior points. Exterior points of angles, point G, point T, point S, point E. So this point is said to as exterior points of angle. Then points on angle, point P, point Q and point R. These points on an angle, P, Q, R. These points on an angle. So some points is an interior points of angle, some points on an angle. Next point is adjacent angle. Adjacent angle means when the two angles which have one common arm and common vertex, that pair of angle called as an adjacent angle. Student, observe the figure. Here angle BMD are bisect by the ray MQ. Then these angles has converted into two parts, angle BMQ and angle QMT. So adjacent angle means two angles and their common vertex and arm. Angle BMQ and angle QMT, both two angles, MM is the common vertex. So angle BMQ and angle QMD, that's said to be as adjacent angles. Next point, complementary angles. Student, complementary angle means if the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, then the pair of angles called as a complementary angle. Observe the angle. Angle PQR, that angle is 90 degree and that angle is bisect by ray QS. Angle PQS and angle SQR, both angles said to be complementary angles. Angle PQS and angle SQR are mutually complementary angles. Let's learn by the example. Here the angle ABC, their measure is 40 degree and angle PQR, their measure is 50 degree. So angle ABC plus measure angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Angle ABC is 40 degree, angle PQR is 50 degree, so angle ABC 90 degree. So angle ABC and angle PQR, both the angles are complementary angle. Let's learn some examples on complementary angle. First question, find the measures of complement of an angle of measure 60 degree. First angle measure is 60 degree and we find the second angle measure. Let the measure of the complementary angle be x. So x plus 60 is equal to 90. 60 is a given angle measure. Therefore, x is equal to, here is equal to sign, and the nearest number is 60. 60 is positive number. Then 60 write at here, 60 convert in opposite. So 90 minus 60. Then x is equal to 90 minus 60 is 30 degree. So the measure of the complement of an angle of measure 70 degree is 30 degree. Next question, angles of measures into bracket a plus 50 degree and into bracket 2a degree are complementary. What is the measure of each angle? Here the given measure, first angle measure is into bracket a plus 15 degree and into bracket 2a degree. A plus 15 plus 2a is equal to 90 degree. Right here a plus 15 plus 2a. A plus 2a, that means 3a plus 15 is equal to 90. Then positive 15 is right here in negative. 3a is equal to 90 minus 15. Then 3a is equal to 90 minus 15, that is 75. Then 3 means 3 multiplied by a. So 3 is go to that side and multiply is convert into dividation. So 75 divided by 3. So a is equal to 25. So therefore into bracket a plus 50, that means we find the value of a, which is 25. 25 plus 15 is equal to 40, and the second angle measure is 2a, means 2 multiplied by a. 2 multiplied by a value 25. So 2 multiplied by 25 is 50. So one angle measure is 40 and one angle measure is 50. Both are mutually complementary angles. Next point is supplementary angle. Student, supplementary angle means if the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angle. Here angle ABD and angle DBC both are supplementary angles. We know the straight angle measure. Straight angle measure is 180 degree. Angle ABC is straight angle, but in that angle include the arm BD. So angle ABD and angle DBC both are mutually supplementary angles. For more learning, let's check out this example. Here angle PQR, which is measure 110 degree, and angle MNT, their measure is 70 degree. So measure angle PQR is 110 degree plus measure angle MNT, their 70 degree. Both angles measure sum is 180 degree. So angle PQR and angle MNT are supplementary angles. Now let's check out some examples on supplementary angles. Into bracket A plus 30 degree and into bracket 2a degree are the measures of two supplementary angles. What is the measure of each angle? there is not given the measures of angles. Now let's find out the actual measure of both angles. A plus 30 plus 2a is equal to 180. Then here a plus 2a means 3a, then write here 30 is equal to 180. Then 3a positive 30 as a minus 30. Then 3a is equal to 180 minus 30 is 150. Then here 3 is as a multiplied, so 3 in a dividation form. 150 divided by 3, that means a is equal to 50. We find the value of a, which is 50. Then a plus 30 means a value is 50. Then 30. 50 plus 30 is 80. Then second angle measure is 2a. So 2 multiplied by a, here 2 and multiply by value of a is 50. 2 multiply 50 is 100. 80 plus 100 means 180. One angle measure is 80 degree and one angle measure is 100 degree. Next example, find the measure of the supplement of an angle of 140 degree. Here is the given one angle measure, that is a 140 degree. Now we find the second angle measure. Let the measure of the supplementary angle be x. So x plus 140 is equal to 180. Therefore x is equal to 180. Positive 140 go there, negative 140. So 180 minus 140 is 40 degree. So we find the value of x is 40 degree. One angle measure is 140 degree and second angle measure is 40 degree. In the supplementary angle, one angle measure is 140 and one angle measure is 40 degree.